the week 5 assignments, the final project part 1, first two collections with CRUD operations and API documentations. So here we have the first two collection, which is the asset, and then the user collection. We'll be looking at the asset and the users collection. So if we go to the assets controller, we can see it's consists of all the necessary route, the get all routes, the get single routes, the create asset route, the delete, and the updates. It also has the try catch to handle error according to the specifications. If we also go to the users route, same thing, it has the get all users, get single user, create user, update user, and the try catch to handle any error that might occur. So if we go to Swagger UI, we can test those routes. So if we go to users slash users, we can get all the users. This is the on render. This is Swagger on render on the server, render server, not on localhost. So we can get all the user on slash users. So let's get a single user here. If we want to get a single user, paste the ID and fetch a single users. There we go. Now we can edit a user. So let's get this user right here, Kit Lee. Let's copy the information of Kit Lee here and paste here. Put okay, let's insert that here. Take the ID. Okay, and then we will change Kit Lee to Kit Lee edited. Okay, before we do that, let's check the user collection and refresh to make sure our request is having an impact on the database. Kit Lee is right here, Kit Lee. So let's change Kit Lee to Kit Lee edited and send the request. Okay, so we have error, we have a response code 204, which is success. If we refresh and check Kit Lee, we see Kit Lee is now Kit Lee edited. So the put route works, the delete route also. Let's create a user. If we go to the post route, we can create a user. Let's call this user, let's just take this here and come over here and paste that there. So let's call this user Mila Neon. Okay, Mila Neon. So this user is Mila Neon at gmail.com. Female admin, finance, Mila, and surname is Neon, and send that request. Okay, we have response code 204. If we refresh the database, we see we now have 5 documents. We have Mila Neon in the database, so that works. So we can also show that the delete route work. If we go to the delete and provide the ID of Mila Neon and execute that. Okay, we refresh again, we see it's down to 4 documents and Millennium is gone. So all the route works on the slash users. So let's look at this um, assets. Let's execute. We can get all the assets. We can get this single asset, that's a skip lead. Let's get a single asset, try that out, close that, execute. That works. So let's try to edit this, and we can put that there and change the information here. Let's just change this to Miko Leo edited. If we send the request, that's success. If we go to assets and refresh, look for Miko Leo, you can see Miko Leo is now showing edited. So that's great. So let's create an asset. Let's go to the post asset, try that out, provide the information. Let's say this is AAA and this is cable. Let's say USB. Let's leave the name to Palo Leo and leave the rest there like that. Execute and refresh. We now have 4 documents. We can see USB Palo Leo, so that works correctly. So if let's test the delete route. Go to delete. We can try that and with the ID, provide the ID of the document we want to delete. Okay, let's refresh the database. We are now down to 3 documents and the last entry is gone. So all the route work as demonstrated in this video. Thank you.